External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has said India will stand by Sri Lanka in its hour of need to overcome the challenges it currently faces. He added that India has taken proactive steps and extended financial assurance to the IMF without waiting for other creditors. Dr. Jaishankar added that India is a reliable neighbor and a trustworthy partner who is prepared to go the extra mile. He said this during his official visit to Sri Lanka. With this announcement, India has become the first creditor nation to extend assurance towards restructuring the debt of Sri Lanka as the island nation makes efforts to unlock bridge financing package from IMF.
Energy security is today one of Sri Lanka's most serious challenges. A search for solutions must necessarily encompass the larger region. Only then will Sri Lanka get the full benefit of scale. This country has enormous renewable energy potential that can become a sustainable source of revenue. It has the capability as well for Trincomalee to emerge as an energy hub. In its support for Sri Lanka, India is prepared to be a reliable partner on such initiatives.